how to use Facebook ads for beginners 2020 full tutorial for beginners. So guys, before I begin, my name is Yavar Khan. I create a lot of WordPress tutorial plugin reviews and how to create an online business. So guys, let's get started. So in my previous video I have shown you how to create a Facebook page from scratch. If you have not watched that video, please see the link down below where I tell you how to create a Facebook page. So once your Facebook page is created, guys, now I'm going to show you how you could create Facebook ads, so in a very simple way. So guys, it's very easy. All you have to do is, this is your Facebook page. So now all you have to do is click on Ad Center. Okay, so before that I would show you one more easy way. So I would say upload something over here. So you could use canva.com if you want to promote something. So let's say you're promoting an offer. So let's say buy one get one free. So I would say, and then I would say posters, and then I would say offer or something like offer. So let's say you're doing a flash sale. Okay, this is just for demo purposes. Use this template. Just download this image. So once you're over here, just post this image. You can say new offer, buy one get one free, and then you can upload a photo. You can just click this one, and then when you publish it, just post as a regular offer. So once this is posted, then you could click over here on boost post. So this is the most easiest way to promote your post. Okay, anyone can do it. So I'm going to show you more advanced as well, but this is the most basic one. Click on boost post, and then you could say get more people to react, comment. You could click over here, or if you want to track your sales, this is but you need to install some tracking pixels, which I'm going to tell you later. But it's this one, so always select this one if you just want to promote and get more engagement. You could pay a post. You could paste your website URL where you are selling this product, and then people you are targeting, you can create a new audience. So click on your create a new audience. So you could name this audience, I would say demo one. You could select if it's for men, if it's for women, select their age range, select where are they located, if they are in Dubai or if they are in USA. You can select, or if they are in UK, so you could select, you could exactly select the place as well. So let's say you are just in Ireland, so I would just select India and just select this area. If I want, I could do detailed targeting as well. So let's say I'm selling jewelry, so I would say people who live in Ireland and love jewelry. So as you could see, my potential audience have gone really down. So you could do that. You could save the audience, which I'm not going to do right now, but you could save, and then you could select for how many days you want to run and how much is the end date, and you could see the total budget over here. And that's it. So you can start promoting things, even if it's a meme. Okay, so let's say you have started a new Facebook page, you could promote a meme and you would get a lot of engagement, and then you could start inviting those people who liked your post to join your page. So even you could do that. That's a little secret. And then once you start getting more engagement, it's like a snowball effect where people start liking more, and then you don't even have to advertise. I've done that in the past where I have, boosted a post with a meme. So I've just spent around $10, and then I got a lot of engagement, and then I just left it, and it started getting more likes, share, comments, and then that was really good. It's very easy. So this is one simple way to boost. I would say cancel the ad. The second way is, all you have to go is on Ad Center and then create an ad. You could create an ad from select your objective. If you want to get more website visitors or get more website purchase, that means you need to have a website And then after a website, there is a Facebook pixel where you need to install on your website, which is really easy to install. But let's say you just want to promote your page, you could just click over here. You could add any image you want. I would suggest use Canva to promote your image, and then you could just click, you can just say, do you love fashion? So you could say, do you love fashion? Then don't forget to then say like this page, and then you could select the audience. You could create your own audience, again people who love fashion in a specific area, and then you could choose everything over here, and that's it guys. So this is how you can use Facebook ads to promote your page to get more business. So this is it guys. So this is how you could use Facebook ads, and if you really like this video, please consider subscribing, and thanks for watching the video.